Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Gaussian integral, but today is not protagonist. Based on this integral, today what I want to do in this video is to generalize Gaussian integral. About proof of Gaussian integral, I'm not going to emphasize in this video. I'm still know the formula, but I display a proof which is appreciated in here. If you want to watch it, please pause the video. Before we discuss regarding the inference, let's talk about what other integral is equal to. Let me write it down. The integral of e to power of minus a times parentheses square with respect to x evaluate from negative infinity to positive infinity. So how do we figure out the integral? In fact, that's not difficult, just a common integration technique. We can make the variable change. Let's u is equal to x plus b. And then we can get du is equal to dx. So the integral become e to power of minus a times u square with respect to u. Evaluate from negative infinity to positive infinity. And then how do we do that? Please patiently observe. We may be able to replenish square root of a to construct the same form as Gaussian integral. Copy. Okay. Replenish square roots of a. Okay. To keep balance, we also need to add 1 over square root of a. See bro, this is absolutely the same form as Gaussian integral, right? So the part is equal to square roots of pi. And then we can get the solution of integral is equal to square roots of pi divided by a. Okay, let's go back to initial points. Copy. You know, this exponent of the function is quadratic function form. It means two things are equivalent. Let me write it down. Is equal to okay. So let's replace the exponents of e and see what happens. Let me write e to power of minus alpha times parentheses square and negative gamma with respect to x evaluate from negative infinity to positive infinity. Integrating over x, I can trace e to power of negative gamma as a constant. So I put it out. Now, do you feel familiar regarding the form? So the part is equal to square roots pi divided by a. In other words, we only need to use ABC to express gamma. First, about right hand side, we need to spread it out. Let me write. Is equal to alpha times x squared negative 2 alpha times beta times x and minus alpha times beta square and minus minus gamma. And then I apply a classic approach, which is called the undetermined coefficient method in mathematics, to handle this question. Okay, let's match the coefficient. Minus alpha is equal to minus a. And then beta is equal to b over 2a. As for gamma, we can combine these two and deduce what gamma equal to. The gamma is equal to negative c plus b squared over 4a. So the integral is going to be converted into a lump of constants. Finally, it's equal to square roots of pi divided by a times e to power of negative c plus b squared over 4a. Okay, the class is over. My dear audience, sayonara.